We make lots of makeup videos, DIY, skincare and many other things. So please watch my video. I will come with a new video very soon. Also, I am on Instagram. I will mention my Instagram account in the description. You can click the link below to check out more videos. So you guys follow me, and please subscribe to my channel and click on a bell icon so you cannot miss any of my videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye.